Anyways, hey guys, hey everybody. Thank you for coming to my channel. Like, I have this thing on. I'm not ready to do it here. I'm gonna be doing the glueless week before I step out. So we're not gonna be doing too much, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull some foundation on here so it can match my skin. After having trouble with it, and then I'm gonna take this off. This is how the hair looks on me. Yeah, it's thick. Like, I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see. And it's so soft. Like, wow. That's like the end. This is, yes. So I already dressed the hair how it looks, and then I'm gonna go ahead. This is one of her products. Is the melting spray. The melting spray. Yeah. So it's a quick drying extra hold glueless install. So yeah, this is her look. You can get this on her website. I think she probably bring it. I mean, she probably give it to you when you buy some, and it has more details in the bag just in case. But I'm gonna go and spray this on my lens. Let me see. It smells not bad. It's like it's hard to see. So I don't know how my makeup is gonna look. I'm gonna use my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Oh my god, now my makeup. Yo, look at that. Let's do my makeup. So this is why I don't know how people do this before they do makeup. But I was going somewhere. We're trying to have my makeup done. If I do this turn it off. Now let's do them baby hair. The part where I be having trouble with. I'm looking this side because I'm trying to use the mirror. Like I cannot see clear. So I'm trying to use the mirror that's next to me. So here's the baby hair. And we'll go grab some here too. It's like this hair is so thick. Like, oh my god. If you love thick hair, this hair is for you. Like, for real. I'm not just talking like the hair is thick. This is my first week I'm doing one. So you guys gonna tell me how I'm doing. Like, I'm like so nervous. Yeah, I'm like nervous about. We got it. And then I'm gonna be using this one to let my baby hair down. Because I need them baby hair to stay. This is gonna be so hard. I'm gonna be looking down. Yo, this is one thing about me when it comes to baby hair with weave. I'm not professional. I'm really not professional. Like, I'm still learning. I like to have like some hair in the front because I don't know, I just like it. I feel like they give me more beauty. Like put some hair like this. So this is the hair. I think I'm done and I did everything. The hair is gorgeous. You guys do need this shit. Like, it's good. The way it's holding my hair is good. I love the hair. It's gorgeous. This is how I look. Glueless wig, okay? And this is how full it is in the back. That's the back of the hair. And yeah, it's full, like it's heavy, not too heavy, but it's heavy. You know, some people don't put too much hair, but this one is like is heavy. It feels good too. I'm gonna take this hair my trip, like for real, cause just in case your hair is not done, you just put this shit on and you're good. But this is the hair, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna put her link down and you guys go ahead and shop with her. Like, girl, thank you. I love the hair.